On behalf of the officers and personnel of Sheriff Aguac Municipal Police Station, we extend our warmest birthday greetings to our esteemed Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. May the Almighty continue to bless you with good health, wisdom, strength, and unwavering guidance as you lead our Provincial Police Office. Thank you for your dedicated leadership, steadfast commitment, and inspiration to all of us in the Philippine National Police. We wish you continued success, happiness, and many more years of meaningful service.
Happy birthday once again, sir. May God bless you always.
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. Wishing you every joy, good health, and countless blessings. Happy birthday, sir!
To our esteemed Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis, may God continue to bless you with good health, wisdom, strength, and happiness as you lead with honor and excellence. May the year ahead bring you continued success, fulfillment, and countless blessings. On behalf of South OP MPS, we wish you a joyful celebration surrounded by your loved ones. Happy birthday, sir! Yung lagi po yan!
Happy birthday to our beloved Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John Mangahis. Hangad po namin ang marami pang kaarawan na puno ng ligaya, kapayapaan at kapabala. Once again, happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Maguindanao del Sur Police Provincial Office, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. Greetings from Sharif Saiduna Municipal Police Station.
Happy birthday, sir!
Here's our greetings to our esteemed, energetic Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis, sir. On behalf of the officers and personnel of the Provincial Mobile Force Company, Maguindanao del Sur, we extend our warmest, utmost birthday greetings. May God continue to bless you with in good health, strength, wisdom, that you for your inspiring leadership and unwavering dedication and commitment to public service. Wishing you a joyful celebration, another year of your life, your new year of your life, and many more blessed years ahead. Happy birthday, sir. Mabuhay, sir.
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. We wish you good health and more success to come. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. On this special day, the officers and personnel of Dato Usay Municipality Police Station extend our warmest birthday greetings to our esteemed Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. We wish you a joyful celebration, filled with happiness and the company of your loved ones. May the year ahead bring you continued success, peace, and abundant blessings. Happy birthday, sir! May you continue to live with courage and inspire us all. Greetings from the officers and personnel of the Usay Municipality Police Station.
Happy birthday, sir!
Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. Happy birthday, sir! We wish you endless joy and a good health from Maguindanao Municipal Police Station. Happy birthday, sir! Hoorah!
Happy birthday to our Eastern Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. On behalf of your men and women in uniform in Pandaguig PS, we extend our heartfelt gratitude and warm birthday wishes. Maligayang Palawan, sir, at mabuhay po kayo!
To our beloved Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahi, sir, from Dato Piang MPS personnel, wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you for your continued guidance, support, leadership, and may God bless you with good health and long life. Happy birthday, sir!
Provincial Director of Maguindanao del Sur PPO, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. Happy birthday, sir, from Magalungan MPS family.
Happy birthday, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangares. Wishing you a wonderful birthday, filled with good health, happiness, and continued success. Thank you for your dedicated leadership and inspiring service. May the year ahead bring you more blessings and achievements. Happy birthday from Sultan Province MPS. Hey, hey, hey!
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. May God bless you with good health, strength, wisdom, and continued success. From Mama Sapano MPS family, we wish you a joyful birthday and many more years of dedicated service. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangares. May God bless you. We wish you a joyful birthday, good health, and continued success. From Maglan MPS family, happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Bangahis. Wishing you a very happy birthday, filled with good health and happiness. May the Almighty bless you with wisdom and many more years of dedicated service. Thank you for your exemplary leadership, unwavering commitment of the Philippine National Police, and your steadfast guidance of the Maguindanao del Sur Police Provincial Office. May this special day bring you joy, peace, and countless blessings. Happy birthday, sir, from Dato Abdullah Santi MPS family.
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis from Dato Hooper MPS.
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Maguindanao del Sur, Police Provincial Office, Police Colonel Michael John Katinit Mangahis. Greetings from General Saripada K. Pindaton Municipal Police Station. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangares, sir!
On this special day, we wish you a good health, happiness, and continued success in your leadership. Thank you for your dedication, service, and inspiration to all of us. May God continue to bless you with strength and wisdom.
Greetings from Raja Bayan Municipal Police Station. Happy birthday, sir!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On behalf of Talayan NPS, Chief of Police, Police Lieutenant Muhammad K. Ampatuan, I'm PSMS Sambua Engel, Mispo, wishing you a good health. Happy birthday, Police Colonel John Michael C. Manghais, Provincial Director of Maguindanao del Sur. Happy birthday po sir sa iyo at maraming salamat.
Happy birthday to our Provincial Director, Maguindanao del Sur, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis, sir. On this special day, we wish you health, happiness, and
Happy birthday, sir! On behalf of the personnel of Dato Muntawan Municipal Police Station, we extend our warmest birthday greetings to our esteemed Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis. May God continue to bless you with good health, wisdom, strength, and unwavering guidance as you lead our province with integrity, dedication, and excellence.
Thank you for your inspiring leadership and steadfast commitment to public service. Once again,
Happy birthday, sir! And may you have many more blessed years to come.
To our beloved Provincial Director, Police Colonel Michael John C. Mangahis, happy birthday, sir! May your birthday filled with love and joy. From Maguindanao del Sur Police Provincial Office, happy birthday, sir! Mabuhay!
To my classmate, Police Colonel Michael John Mangahis, happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo good health, more blessings to come, and more accomplishment dyan sa Maguindanao del Sur. And always remember, Tagaligtas is always Tagaligtas. Happy birthday, brother.
On behalf of the local government unit ng South UP, kami po'y taus-pusong bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan sa ating Provincial Director ng Maguindanao del Sur, Police Colonel Michael John Mangahis. Naway pagpalain kayo ng buong kapal, bigyan ng mabuting kalusugan, patuloy na lakas, karunungan, at tagumpay sa inyong buhay, kaligayahan, at marami pang masasayang kaarawan. Happy birthday, sir! God bless!
Assalamualaikum and happy birthday to my good friend, the Provincial Director of Maguindanao del Sur Provincial Police Office, Police Colonel Michael John Mangahis. Of course, hindi ko makakalimutan ng araw na to because it's your birthday, and more than that, I'm very happy that you are currently serving as the Provincial Director of Maguindanao del Sur Provincial Police Office, because nakita naman natin the results of your accomplishment, and under your leadership ay tumaas yung public trust rating. Marami tayong accomplishment at dito sa Maguindanao del Sur, they can feel the presence of our Philippine National Police. So I wish you nothing but good health, wisdom, and success as you lead Maguindanao del Sur Provincial Police Office. So that's all, and wishing you a meaningful celebration of your birthday. Again, happy birthday, and may God bless you.
Kasama ang tropa, siya'y walang hanggan, walang malaking handa. Ayos lang sa atin, basta't magkakasama, panalo pa rin. May gitara sa tabi, may kantahang sabay, may kwentuhang masaya. Hanggang mag-umagay, lahat ay nakangiti, walang alalahanin. Sa gabing ito, puro saya ang dadalhin. Kahit simpleng salo-salo lang, buo ang barkada. Sapat na yan, walang iwanan, walang kalungkutan, lahat ay bahagi ng pagdiriwang. But happy birthday to you. Taas ang baso, buong barkada rito. May inuman, sayawan, tawanan buong gabi. Kasama ang tropa, wala nang hihigit pa dito. Happy birthday to you. Problema sa buhay, ngayong kaarawan mo'y pansamantalang iiwan. Sa bawat tagay may alaalang sariwa, mga kwentong hindi kailanman mawawala. Kahit saan tayo dalhin ng panahon, mananatiling matatag ang ating samahan. Sa hirap at ginhawa'y magkakasama pa rin, tunay na barkada hanggang sa huling awitin.